welcome back. Just want to do a quick video to show you Bubble as she is going off to Spain with the owner. She's decided to leave London finally, and she's going to be going over to Spain for a few months to get settled and then pop back to grab some stuff, and then I think she's going to be there permanently. Bubble is a medium wheelbase crafter that we did about 2 years ago now. She's brought it back just so we can check everything over and make sure it's all as it should be before she goes out of the country. I'll give you a quick look round. Such a cool little van. So it's a medium wheelbase crafter. We've managed to fit in a full kitchen, a shower, a cat litter, cubicle, a little living room underneath the bed, and then she's got her bed up the top here, and we've added this little addition, which is essentially so she can sleep diagonally if she wants to really stretch out, and then that just stays up like that, and then just comes down and is really solid. I wouldn't be sitting on it, but more than enough for your feet. And then she's going to have this bit of foam upholstered to match all the sofa, and then she's got sheets and bedding for the mattress. So yeah, it's a really cool little van. 2-burner hob, big sink, cute little tiled splashback. All of the windows are domestic S4, so they've all got bug screens and blinds hidden away behind the splashback. She's got some storage up here. Max air roof fan, a Dometic Heki 2, so that's a big skylight right above the bed, so she should be able to kind of get up onto the roof if she wanted to, or just have it wide open, especially in Spain. And there's like a little L-shaped living area here. She's got an emergency compost toilet underneath the sofa. And here we've got a little access panel through to their water tank. In here she's got 3 wardrobes that go right down into the, quite deep in there. Another one there. And she's got 3 little shelves. Got a Thetford duplex oven. It's got a double compartment bin. Plenty of space for little bits and bobs like cleaning stuff. You can see all the plumbing under there. She's got a Whale Expanse water heater, so that's an underbody water heater. We don't normally fit those as we normally use an IMAS, but as it's only a medium wheelbase, we only had so much space, so that had to go underneath. She's also got an underbody HS2211 Propex heater. That's 2 kilowatt, which is plenty for this van, especially it's extremely well insulated, as all of our vans are. She's got some really cool little live edge features dotted around there and at the edge of the bed. That's again some New Forest live edge cedar, I believe. And then she's got swivel seats here, so these spin round, so she's got 2 seats, so she can seat probably 5 people in there if she wanted to without it being ridiculously cramped. She's got a big storage compartment up here which goes all the way around. Obviously we've taken all of her stuff out, and then in here she's got a 700 by 700 shower with our signature copper plumbing, nice copper shower head, the same one we use every day. And she's got this little compartment here for her shampoo, conditioner, and yeah, it's worked out as a really good little shower actually. I'll quickly show you around the back. Try out the wide angle on the GoPro, by the way, so let me know if that's better than what I was using before. I think it is. So this has got, it's just had our badges put on because she didn't have them previously. It's got some really cool wheels and tyres supplied by Rogue Alloy Co. That really set the van off. She's got 2 security lights on both sides that she can switch on via the switch panel by the bed. At the back, she's got a 100-litre water tank. That's the overflow. We're going to be securing that a little bit straighter there, and then that's the shut-off valve, so you can stop water getting into the water tank, into the water pump. She's got a switch here which allows you to swap over from mains or inverter for the sockets. And the fuse box. She's got a little cubby there for all sorts of bits and bobs. Got a great look at the back, looks really cool. She's obviously going to be adding a curtain up there and really moving into it properly once she goes off to Spain. What I'll also show you is we've finally done the wall, and yeah, it was not cheap, but I think it looks pretty good. So we've just got to clean the corrugated off a bit because it's got some more white stuff on it. But so this is 6 meters long by 2 meters tall. This is obviously the new concrete we've had laid. And we've got another wall here which is set back slightly, and we've fitted those lights last night. So this is about 5.8 meters, this wall, so in total it's about 6 meters of wall, but it's now just meant we've got a really nice space to work. As you can see back here, I welded up a steel frame and primed it, and then the corrugated is then fixed to that. And this is also going to mean when we get a 2-post lift back here, it will just look like a very nice, you know, nice space to work on the cars, or we can park a van back there. Obviously, there'll be a steel ramp being made when I got time to go and get the steel. That'll be a corrugated checker plate ramp, probably 1.5 foot long or so, because it's not a very big drop. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video to show you Bubble before she goes off to Spain. The library bus is coming back. I'm going to go and swap them round actually, because she's not taking Bubble until the beginning of October, so she's going back into storage up the road, and the library bus will be coming back. We've got a 4.5 metre awning to go on this afternoon. And yeah, back to normal. So expect a video next week of the library bus. I'm aiming to get on with all of the timber cladding, not cladding, the sort of ply lining the van, and we've got some final welding to do above the cabs so we can get that insulated. But yeah, it'll be really back to normal. So expect a weekly video of the library bus as we've done before. I think we're number 6 now, so it'll be number 7 next week. And again, yeah, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the new subscribers, and yeah, look forward to seeing you on the next one. And yeah, please share the video if you haven't already, and yeah, stay tuned. See you on the next one. Bye.